All right. You're welcome back to the channel. Thanks for joining in. So today we'll be talking about remote jobs. I have received multiple emails asking me about online jobs, remote jobs, and I feel it's time to share the ones I know. These are online jobs that do not require you to have experience or a certain degree. All you need to know how to do is to know how to read and write, and just how to uh, label things with keen attention to detail. And that's just it. So on our first list here is join Stella. This is Stella. So I'll leave all the links in the description. Uh, so the first one here is Stella.ai. Um, so all you can see here, let's explore the jobs. Okay. So it says it discover available positions. Okay. So this is the role that matches your skills and aspirations. All right. So on this website, if you do not have a degree or a certain expertise or a certain skill, you can apply for the generalist position, which goes for $25 an hour. So you can view the details and then you simply apply, right? The next on our list is Rise Data Labs. Yeah, so we have Rise Data Labs here. You have, let's see, Rise Data Labs.com. Yes, let's see, home talent. This is home, right? So we also have generalist roles here, and I think they have this high rates of hiring people because it's not really out there yet. It's not out there yet. So that's that for Rise Data Lab. But you need a resume. So try and tailor your resume to data annotation or possibly add some online skill. Just add something to give you a high chance of being hired. Then the next one here is going to be Mecca. So this is mecca.com. I will equally leave the link in the description for easy access so that you don't go wandering about and landing on the wrong page. So we have here finance experts. When you land on the website, you have to sign up. That's a very basic thing. So you sign up. Um, okay, you need LinkedIn profile link, right? So you add your LinkedIn profile link, and then you land on this page. So you have to land here, and then you land on explore. So in the explore opportunities, you have the first on our list here is finance expert, which goes for $150 an hour, right? They have generalists here, but I think, let me search generalist, but I think it got filled today. Yes, as at this morning, or less as at yesterday, uh, it was still available, but right now it is no longer available. However, I would advise you keep checking. You keep checking for the opportunity. I think for the hourly pay here, it is 35 to $45 an hour for the generalist positions or generalist roles. Okay. Then there's this. If you're a soccer fan, if you're a soccer fan and you know soccer, oh, it's even gone. Haha, wahala. Okay, that is gone as well. but you have to keep checking. All right. However, if you have these other skills, if you're a lawyer, you can go for legal experts. You have a base rate of 100 to $110 an hour. If you have experience in data science, you can go for this as well. If you are a financial expert, you can go for this. All right. Well, keep in mind that you will need to take an interview. So it's not like an assessment where the, I will possibly know the answers and provide them to you. This one is an AI interview, but it will ask you questions based on your responses. So whatever you're responding to, it is what is going to spur the next question. All right. So you can go through this one, okay, and apply for roles. Right. So you have, if you are a real estate or finance analyst, you can equally apply as well. If you're a pharmacist, I say STEM PhDs, that's computer science. So there's just a lot of roles available, right? So do well to apply. You can see the higher rate is high. You can see this one is 14 hired for this month. Mhm. For chemistry, project management specialist, 13 hired. So these are pretty much available until you apply, right? So do well by applying very, very fast. Do not waste time in applying, all right? So these are the three I'll be sharing with us today, so I don't overload you. If you have any questions, or if you have any question, kindly go ahead and leave them in the comment section, and I will attend to them. If you have any problem with applying, you can equally reach out to me. I will leave my Instagram. I'll leave my Instagram link in the description as well. So thanks for watching. Okay. Yes. One last thing. This also require a resume. So do well by preparing your resume and tailor it to these opportunities in case you have any of these skills for the ones that are currently available. You can see we have general and operation managers, all right? Basketball expert. Yes, 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 yes. So for those in the US or for those with basketball knowledge, let's check this out. Let's open it and check. Okay, so you see it pays you 45 to $70 an hour. Right, so you need basketball knowledge. You can see it says we are looking for basketball experts, avid fans, sports journalists, commentators, and former or semi-professional. So you are going to need to take an interview, and the interview is just going to ask you basic questions about basketball, maybe whose team has won the most basketball uh, titles, things like that. It's not a serious. It's not the questions are not that difficult. So it's something you can just simply wing, right? But do well to prepare because sometimes the AI might just be going crazy. So real estate finance analyst, I think this is trending. Right? Chemistry, engineering experts, sales rep. Yes. So if you have experience in sales or manufacturing, you can do well to apply as well. So you have base rate of $90 to $150 an hour. If you're a writer, right, you can equally apply. Product design UX expert. So for those that find it difficult to get clients online, this might just be the right place for you. Let's check more. Let's look around before we end the video. Clinical researchers. if you know how to do GIS mapping, uh, there's a position here for you, and it looks it looks uh, it looks promising. If you're a software engineer, okay. So if you've got good accents, if you've got good accent, UK accent, Southern English, that's for those that are from the UK. You have voice recording, and this is it. Five. They've only hired five for this one, so it looks like people are not really applying that much. Okay, look at this one as well. People are not applying that much. Machine learning is on for India. For those with this qualification, or with this skill rather, if you know this skill very, very well, Mecca is willing to pay you $75 to $300 an hour. So just get prepared, apply. You have to do code review session, right? You have to just do code review session, basic questions, answer very well, and you will receive an email. Okay, so if you know how to talk to people about credits, right? There's also one here for you. Okay, so that's just pretty much it. Tell us, I see some, okay, teaching assistants for secondary. Okay, new listing. This has just been listed tonight. So you can see they've not hired anyone yet. Or if you apply, you might just get it teaching assistant. If you're a teacher, you can simply just apply. So that's just going to be the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Do well by subscribing to the channel and keeping it locked. Kindly share, like, and leave a comment if need be. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.